Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this absolutely gorgeous Triumph Speedmaster. This one is the 1200 and it's also the Goldline as well, so it's a special edition version. It's a 2022 and it's on 1697 miles from new. Obviously with the Goldline you get all these lovely accents, all this paintwork, brushed aluminium side there, and obviously these gold pinstripes everywhere. This one's got the lovely leather side panniers on there. They come with ABS, they come with cruise control, they come with riding modes, they come with traction control, so they're really well equipped as well, and they do use the big 1200cc twin motor, but it is super smooth. But awesome bikes, really popular with us. If you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.